Hello, colorful creators. Let me tell you about the time that we transformed 3 cardboard boxes into a super sparkly, drippy paint, colorful cake creation. It all started with an idea. Hey, we should make a cake to celebrate 2 years in business. Sounds simple enough, right? But at Colorful, we're artists. So we of course began dreaming of ways that we could make the cake making process special, unique, and of course fun. First, we gathered 3 boxes from a local recycle center, and we gave them a nice coating of paint. A little bit of tape held them all together, and we added some iridescent garland around the edges to give it a little extra pizzazz, and to help disguise the seams of the boxes. There's a full list of supplies used in the creation of this process listed in the description in case you're wanting to know more. The real party started when our kiddos joined in on the fun to help us decorate, and that's when the confetti started flying. Our little ones range in ages from 6 to 1, and all but the 1-year-old were totally captivated by this process. It was so fun to create alongside of them and to celebrate. If you have a birthday or celebration coming up, or just really happen to love cake or creating, then this is the activity for you. It's a simple, fun, and creative way to celebrate and add a little color into your life. Thanks so much for watching and for supporting us in our journey over the last 2 years. We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel for more ways to live a colorful life.